Hi, what's up, Dogecoin holder, my brothers? Today we tell about the the Dogecoin price prediction and technical analysis. And I have something very special news, my brother, for all Dogecoin holder. So completely with details, I am going to discuss you. But kindly, before I get start this video, please, I have one request to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. You know why I told you to subscribe this channel? If you just click the red button, subscribe this channel, so you will be never lost, because ABS channel will give you advice. ABS channel will give you, my friend, the latest updates, everything, my brother. So kindly you need to subscribe and press bell icon for videos notification. Alright, the Dogecoin price is 2.75% increase just in only in last 3 days. And I think, my brother, I think 20 days ago, my friends, I invest in Dogecoin, and today they will give me, my friend, you can see here 0.3 USD dollar. When I invest, I think the price is 0.15 something, like this, for my friend, the price of Dogecoin. But today the price is 0.3 USD dollar. So it's mean to just in only in 20 days, my brother, they will give me half profit now. So if everybody know this, so they will just and only, my friends, give you a very short and very good profit. So why you are not investing? Definitely, if you are a genius man, if you have, my friend, any experience in a crypto market, definitely without any doubt you will be go now and invest. I will give you guarantee you will be get a profit. So why are you waiting? ABS channel, one of the unique, today cannot make a financial video, just advice for all viewers, subscriber. So kindly you, if you are new my channel, subscribe, okay? Alright, my brother, my advice for all of you to please hold it now. Remember, my opinion is to please hold. And I expect, my brother, from Dogecoin to upcoming days, the Dogecoin price will more increasing, and they will give you 10 to 20% profit just in only in every month. So therefore, my brother, I know to upcoming days they will give you something very special and something very unique profit. So let's see, my viewers, to what they do. But if you are new my channel, kindly subscribe. And my advice for all of you, I already shared now, and my opinion, everything I will share. Please, you also share your opinion in a comment box to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box, and let's see, my brother, to Dogecoin gonna be viral in upcoming days or not. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon for videos notification.